this. If you sort of spin up like APIs or you use AngularJS or any of these others to sort of mock websites real quick and user interfaces, but you don't have a back end, or you just need a bunch of data to be generated, you'd use this site. Oh my goodness, it's so big. Try it now. Yes, I will go into the beta site. Thank you very much. And then it's going to resize it on you.
Did my best, guys.
So let me log in real quick. Sign in with the GitHubs. Hi, GitHubs. There we go. So these are a bunch of saved ones I have. I'm going to go ahead and generate what they have here. And basically, it's just a little JSON programming language that it can use. So it's giving you 5 of these automatically generated, not that way, zoom. And so what it'll do, based on a whole bunch of programmatic language that you put in there, it'll just give you a big chunk of JSON. So if you're looking to power, get a bunch of data for your website in order to show a client something, and you don't want to have to sit there and create a bunch of lorem ipsum stuff, it'll do it for you. It'll has generic names and dates and cities and addresses, so you can basically faux a whole lot of real looking information. We can see examples in here where I needed to create a bunch of users. So I just generated a bunch of users, first name, last name. I get a random picture off of an avatar website. And give them a bunch of random roles and everything, and it fills it in there for me. Now the great thing about this, if you're on the beta site, and I'm not sure why their beta site isn't in production yet, is you can actually go to the share, you can grab a link to it so you can have your backend actually pull it as if it was an API, and you can actually put they have options for delaying it, JSON-P, all sorts of other stuff, so you can put in like a 1 second delay or 500 millisecond delay, so you can sort of see how the data will work in real time. It's very simple to use. You can see where I have a bunch of stuff saved, so if I need to go in and get a bunch of mock data and have it generate, pull it into the site, it's great, or I can generate the mock data, copy and paste it over to my server or my client so it can just generate and spit it back out. It's just a very easy way that I found, and I use this site all the time to just sort of generate that JSON. There's a lot of NPM tooling out there that you can also use, which is great, that sort of does the same thing. I'm sort of, I champion online tools for as much as possible in terms of getting up and running quickly, and this is one of those tools I use. So if you are looking for an example of how neat and easy and uninformative a lightning talk can be, that was my example. Ta-da. So you can do it too. So there's really nothing to it. You go out there, you find a cute picture of a kitty on the internet, then you come up here and you show us all to it, and I'm sure we'll all applaud, okay?
I do have a quick question for you, though.
Oh my goodness, I didn't expect questions.
I know, a heckler. I'm sorry. Anyhow, like one of the things that I often run into when I'm generating JSON data, and I can see some hints of this right here, right, is I might want to have something that returns an array of things, so like subkeys like that. To what degree does this support that or not?
Like just a subarray of strings, like tags?
Sort of, yeah. So,
I got something in here that shows an example of just tags. Their main example, let me see, new template. There we go. Tags right here.
Sure enough.
So you can see, you can just generate lorem ipsum words as tags and whatnot.
Awesome.
It's got real looking email addresses, company names. It's got a big database of just generic information that makes it look real for your clients to some extent. Any other questions? Seriously.